Hi, mermaid. How are you, mermaid? Lily? Can you take me to the Philippines, please?
Okay.
In this jeepney.
Hold on, look the front. 100
How about juice?
meters.
Okay, can I have orange juice, please?
Okay. And then turn left to Cannon Straight.
Thank you so much. Nom nom nom
And
nom
then
nom
turn
nom.
left to
Oh wow.
Motorbike.
Thank you. Ooh. Good morning, people. Happy Thursday. Just went to grab my coffee and my almond croissant. And our car is there. It's 8:20 in the morning and ako na talaga ang maaga. So I just got out from my appointment, guys. Look! Oh, diba? May lashes na si ate niyo. So, yung appointment ko kanina was 7 o'clock in the morning. So, oh my God. Sobrang aga ko nagising, like 6 something. But, yeah. So, I left around 6:40. So, ayan na ang ating pagmumukha ngayon. I'm so happy. Alam niyo ba, this is the second time for this year na nagpa-lash extensions ako. So, if you have been following me for years now, alam nyo na I do it regularly. But, this year, August na siya, guys. Ngayon pa lang yung second na lash extensions ko. Kasi hinayaan ko muna yung buhok ko, yung mga lashes ko na tumubo, maging healthy siya ulit para fuller ang kanyang result. And, I am not disappointed. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Kasi mas maraming lashes, it means mas glam siya tingnan. Diba? I love it. I so love it. Anyways, so Daddy Mike is in charge with the kids this morning. So very lucky na he agreed to this. Kasi binook ko to siya, guys, months ago. Kasi sobrang busy ng babaeng ito, yung lash technician. Sobrang busy niya na mahirap mag-book. So I made sure na nakabook ako ahead of time para, you know, my time. Ginawa ko to kasi birthday ni Baby Celine. Alam niyo yun, may ano siya, may okasyon. Kaya nagpa-lashes si mami niyo. Diba nga, na-change na yung work ni Daddy Mike. So before, nung binook ko to, yung working hour niya was from 10:30 kapag Thursday, 10:30 talaga yan siya mag-start. But nung na-promote na si Daddy Mike, nagsa-start siya ng 8:30. So last week, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hala, nakalimutan ko, meron pala akong appointment today. I might have to cancel it. Sabi ko kasi walang magbabantay sa mga kids, walang maghatid kay Ate Paris sa school, walang magbantay kay Baby Celine. So, Daddy Mike was very kind. Sabi niya, no, you do it. Kasi alam niya na matagal ko na tong binook. And it's very hard to get another slot for this extension. So, sabi niya, no, you do it. I'll take care of the kids. So, lang daw siya, mag-start lang daw siya ng bit later. Matatapos din siya ng a bit later. So yun, akala ko hindi ko na talaga magagawa kasi alam niyo naman sobrang strict ng ng working hours ni Daddy Mike ngayon. But yeah, he's kind enough to let me do it. So I'm super grateful. I'm super happy with my lashes. Iba talaga ng aura kapag may lashes, guys. Uy, parang mas gising ba yung mata mo, 'di ba? Parang bukhang-bukha yung mata mo kumpara sa kapag lashes. Anyways, that's just for me. So, ayan, kape-kape. And here, I might just meet Daddy Mike and the kids sa school. Kasi yung damit ni Baby Celine, guys, dinala ko na dito kasi I know Daddy Mike will have a hard time getting Celine ready and Ate Paris ready. Yeah, he's not used to getting both ready. So, yung ginawa ko, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, just put anything on Celine warm And I'll take the clothes and the shoes sa sasakyan. And pag minute ko na sila sa school, I'm just gonna change Celine dito sa sasakyan kasi we need to go to the playgroup this morning. Kaya we have to go straight away after school drop off. Look! Ay, Josh! Tingnan niyo yung mermaid! Andito sila sa harapan ng school natin Paris, guys. Kakarating ko lang dito. But the Paris is already in. Hi, mermaid! How are you, mermaid? Lini? Are you mermaid? Okay, come. Hi! Hi! Hello! Hello! Have a look. My mermaid. Celine a mermaid? Is Celine a mermaid? I love you.
She had a headband on too.
Huh?
She had that, but she's taking off.
Yeah. No, she doesn't like that headband. Oh! Hey! How's it in Paris? How's Paris, Daddy?
Yeah, good.
That's good. Oh, I didn't see Ate Paris this morning, honey. Have you been good to Ate Paris this morning? Yeah?
Daddy.
Tingnan nyo guys, nag-mermaid siya. Nilagay ni Daddy Mike sa kanyang prom mermaid. Sabi ko, how did you do it? Because kailangan makalabas dalawang paa. He tilted the prom na lang. Para mukhang kahiga ang mermaid.
Celine tried yoga.
Did you have yogurt? Did you have yogurt? Did you have yogurt? Look at Mama's lashes. Look at Mama's eyes. Do you like it?
What are you doing now, baby?
We're gonna go to the playgroup.
I'm gonna go to coffee in the Starbucks.
Mommy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Mommy.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye bye, Daddy. Kiss.
Hey, bye-bye, Daddy. Oh, no.
Give Daddy a kiss. Okay.
Alright. Change, okay? I gotta change.
I got the key.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Mommy.
Love you. We'll be home soon.
Bye bye, Lenny.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Mommy.
Love you.
Bye, Lenny.
I love you.
Love you.
Daddy, what?
Yeah, Daddy work. Daddy's working. Okay? Have you been a good girl to Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, good girl. I love you. Nakabihis na si Bulanday. Ay! This way. Tingnan yung pa-outfit niya. Ay, super cute. Super cute. Yes. You know where to go. Do you? Yeah. This way. Nini, this way.
Okay.
Good. Keep going. Nandito na kami, guys. Keep going. They're all inside now. They're all inside. Hindi na magkaparehas ang kanyang hair tie, guys. Hayaan nyo na. The same lang naman brown. Di ba, nak? Mermaid. Okay, Mama hold mermaid. Okay. Cute naman itong dress na to, eh. Dress ni Ate Paris, guys. Kasya na kay baby Celine. Ang nakasabi dyan, ha? 3 years old. 3 years old, ah. Si Celine, nagsusuot na niyan, oh. Nako. You're not even 2. Big girl. Ay, nabasa na ang kanyang shoes. Okay, this way. Knock on the door. Knock, knock. Say, ayo. Ay, oh, maybe here lang. Hi, how are you? Yes, they're gonna open for us. Okay. There you go. Yes, I thank you. What are you cooking? Where's the orange, Nini? Where's the orange? Oh no! Yeah! This is super cute. Tingnan niyo. My oven. My microwave. My stove. Ang cute naman ng mga laruan dito, guys. Tingnan niyo. Luto-lutuan. Ito yung wish ko before nung bata pa ako. Kasi laruan na ganito. It's adorable. Lainey cooking the grapes. Oh! What's that? What's that? I'm scared of snake. Are you? It's just a pretend. The baby is cold. We have to put the blanket on. Oh no? No blanket? Celine is feeding the babies. Good girl, Lainey. Oh, good job. The baby hungry? I think the baby's cold. You have to put the blanket on. Put the blanket on?
What's behind my back?
Beep, beep. There. Beep, beep. What? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, whoa. Good turn. Beep, beep. It's super cute naman eh. I might get something like this for her birthday because she likes riding them. Knock knock. Oh, found a toy, a car. You wanna read a book? Yeah. Book. So ito yung maganda dito, guys, kasi tingnan niyo, they're free to do whatever they want to do. They can color, draw. Lam, do you want to draw the mermaid? Lainey, do you want to draw a mermaid? Yeah, draw a mermaid. Draw a mermaid? Naglalap ang ating baby Celine, guys. So, magluluto tayo ng pasta. Pasta everywhere. Ayan. So, ito lang yung nakita ko sa order namin. Unfortunately, wala kami nung spaghetti. So, ito na lang. Okay lang naman din. The same lang naman yung kanyang lasa. Iba lang yung mukha, di ba? Yung kasanayan nating spaghetti. So, ito siya is gluten-free penne regate. I don't know how to pronounce that one. But anyways, ayan siya. Ganyan ang kanyang mukha. So, yun yung gagamitin natin. 350 grams. Hindi siya marami. And, ayan. Ito yung gagamitin ko kasi, ewan ko, kailan ko ba ito siya binili? Baka na, use by date na tayo ah. May nakalagay ba? Last time kasi, binili ko yung cheesy, creamy cheese. Tapos ito siya is yung Filipino style. So, October pa pala. So, it's okay. But yeah, yan yung lutuin natin ngayon. Wala nga pala akong cheese. Ano lang yung available. Ayan. Kagabi kasi, sa fridge, nakita ko dalawa nito. So, yung isa, niluto ko kagabi. Yun yung dinner namin. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin ko ngayon for our pasta spaghetti. Ayan. Ito kasi mabilis lang. Maluluto na to siya. Hopefully, fingers crossed before si baby Celine magising. Hi. Look who's awake, guys. Look who's awake. Say hello, guys. Do you have a good nap? Luto na ang ating pasta, baby! Pasta, pasta, pasta everywhere. Alis na meeting na. Oh, careful! Ano? You got wet? Oh, gosh! You have to change your clothes now. Kumakain ng pasta na wala pang ano ba? Yung plain lang. Uy! Eh, pag anak-anak ko, gumatawag ko! Have a look at the cooking in the kitchen. Oh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Shut it down, Tito, what you're eating. Do you like it? Yes? Is it yummy? In the tummy? In the tummy! Oh, you're such a beautiful girl, honey. You are. My 2-year-old soon, my goodness. Are you going to be 2-year-old soon? Are you a big girl? Anak, kalma lang na. Kalma lang. May nagulat. May nagulat. May nagulat. Palangga mo kayo nga bata eh. Palangga mo kayo nga baby. Mama? Yummy. Yummy. It's okay, you can have that now. You can have it. Someone's having her lunch now. Naghubo-hubo na, guys. Shredded chicken, cheese, and strawberry.
A few moments later.
Ate Paris is here now, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, yung daddy niya yung nag-ready sa kanya.
And guys, I made for Father's Day.
For what?
For Father's Day.
For Father's Day? Oh, wow. 31st. Father's Day celebration. Why is that? There's nothing like this on Mama's Day.
You can come.
Yeah, I know I'm saying. On Mother's Day. It's nothing like that. But that's so cool. That's good. You gonna give it to Daddy? Okay. Tingnan niyo ang pinaklip sa kanyang tatay, guys. Ay, wala
Ah,
sa kulay. Wala sa kulay, guys. Ng kanyang, wala sa tema. Tingnan niyo. Sky blue. Sky blue ba to? May green. Continue. Oh, Ati. Ding, ding! So they're counting the notes. Okay, continue. The Paris is a very big girl. She knows what to do. Okay, get the receipt for Lini. Okay, return card.
I can read.
Okay, get the
I can read.
and get the card, ate. Tingnan niya, nagutom mo. It's very rare na magutom yan siya. Hi, can I please grab $10 worth of the chicken spare ribs? Thank you. Yes, please. Masarap yan siya guys. Fry. Crispy fry. Yes. Yeah. That's all good. We'll get this one too. Ito yung sinasabaw ko, guys. What is this really cute? Ang ating baby Celine ay takbo ka agad dito.
Margo, oh, that's 20.
What, are you getting one for Celine?
Yeah,
Aw, that's so sweet of you, honey.
I'm just
Yeah.
bonding.
There's 2 here. Two. No, I think that's the only numbers. Oh yeah, here. See?
Yeah.
2. You're 2 today. Cute.
I'm like,
Yes, you want to get one for yourself?
remember story? I get this to Georgina.
Yeah.
And it's her birthday.
Yeah, her birthday soon. She's gonna be 6.
My mini nature.
Yeah, okay. Mama help you. There you go. Oh.
Hey, hold it? So I can put
Hold it. What?
please.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, Captain Hook. Nakabili na ako ng meat, guys, for tonight. Ayoko na sanang pumunta ng Cozy. May bibilin pa pala ako. Gotta get that corn and peas and carrots thingy. Celine loves that.
Hula hoops.
Hula hoops!
Can I try one?
Grabe talaga itong $2 shop na hindi naman $2 lahat, guys. Sobrang daming mga variety of ano. Wow! That's nice. Have a look, Lini. Look what it's got.
Yeah.
Oh! Sintuhan na yung kang Lini na unak. See? Ang daming mga kung anik-anik. La! You look like a rapper, honey. When I say hey, you say ho. Wait, I'm scared, Celine. Hey, you said you're hungry. You should finish this one. Meron sila dito, oh. Espada. Pang gusto mo. Hello, Julin. Uy. Marbles. Reminds me of my childhood. Sus, kabuling-buling din tao ng kamot ba.
Missing up.
What is that?
Missing up.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's for baby na. Ano to?
Yeah.
You're a big girl, diba? Oh, what na? Kita ng baby.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
That's so cute.
Mommy.
Oh yeah. That was
Mommy.
the one that breaks. Celine broke it. Celine broke it.
I have a great idea.
What is it?
When it's Celine's birthday,
Stickers.
we can just go grab these.
I want to get something
Look at
like
this
this.
mermaid
Oh
one.
my god, look at this.
I love this mermaid.
Oh wow! Kita na naman ang mermaid. Pag ipack ko yung ano ba, pag may nabenta ako online, maganda to siya pang wrap. Lovely. Ano ba to siya kahaba?
Wait,
Uy.
I got like an idea. That's fine. Can I find something to
What is that? That's purple.
mermaid?
Maybe pink. What you think? Yes? Stay here, my loves. We'll get this one. We'll give it this. Oh, hindi pala to siya malapad. Very ano lang. Ah, ito yung malapad. Maybe this one. We'll give this a go. $2. Kano ba to siya kahaba? 10 meters? Should be fine. We'll see how this go. Paganda din yan. Oh my God. Bili din kaya ako ng gold. $2 lang din naman.
I love sequin.
Oh wow.
I'm a mermaid.
Mermaids? You like a mermaid, sweetie?
Yeah, I see Mama too.
Yeah. Oh, you only need one, okay? Can you put...
also.
Ah, ate pala. Ay, sure. Siya ate. Kaya pala dalawang kinuha niya kaysa kanyang ate daw. Sana all, anak. Meron pala silang ano dito, oh. May one... Ah, this one is 6 meters. Maganda yung kulay nito. 150 lang siya kay shorter. Ito namang bubble wrap.
Like how I
Gusto kong ano, kaya lang mga kids ay pinaglalaro.
something that I can make a present with. Yeah?
Okay, what is it?
I see. Mommy's.
Yes,
Mommy.
princess. Oh, who's that?
I see Nini.
Lini, who's that?
I'm Nini.
Lini siya? That's cute. Ano to? Ah, yes. I need this one. Clear tape. Para pang... Shall we get this one, no? Magkano kaya to? Ah, $6 pala to. Wala yan ako eh. May tagabit-bit na ako. Hala, okay na sila sa kanilang mais na 780. Herbie. 490. Good luck. Mahal naman ang mais na. Oy, mangawat ako sa kuwan na. Maisan. This way. Where do you think you're going? This way. This way. Honey, we're gonna go get the piece here. Ate, it's you. It's not Celine. Alam niyo ba kung anong gusto niyan, guys? Ayan, nandito yung paborito niyang ano. Ayun na yun. You can't trick me lang. Alam ka na nakin. Hi.
Can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Celine is like, Ate, sit.
Hello.
Who's driving? Ayan na yung mga napamili namin, guys. Dito kami sa harapan ng
What are you
coast.
doing today? What do you want?
Can you take me to the Philippines, please?
Okay.
In this jeepney.
Hold on, look, the front.
Okay.
Just different.
What are you pushing, Lini?
I'm Nini.
Which one?
I'm
Auntie. Auntie's driving?
It's just 0 minutes.
Where are we now?
We're in the Philippines.
We're at Lola's house now?
Oh, where is it?
In Balingasan. You put the address. Can I order? Hey, can I order
Right.
hamburger, Lini, please?
Okay. Right.
Oh, she pushed the right one. Hamburger.
That's 100 meters.
100 meters. Wow, so close. Can I also get orange drink?
Mommy.
Yeah. Yes. Eh? Apple?
And then you are at your...
Thank you. Nom 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 nom. It's so yummy. It's so yummy.
We are here.
We're here already. No, it's quick.
Yes. That's why dinner.
Have a look. There's a doggy on the top. Nini, look. This doggy. Look up. Look up.
It's Nini. Hello again.
Okay na, we'll go get sushi na li. I do it now. We'll go get sushi. Come on. How about juice? Okay, can I have orange juice, please?
Okay. And then turn left to Canon Street.
Thank you so much. Nom 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 nom
And then
nom
turn
nom.
left to
Oh wow.
Waterway Street.
Mama just burped.
Okay.
How much is it, Lini?
And then you...
How much?
And then you are...
Juice? Okay, juice. Alright, I get the juice. Can I have juice then? Thank you.
We are at Balingasan.
Okay.
Hill Street.
Ooh, Lini! Hindi kami makaalis-alis, guys. Every corner may laro. Wow! After dito, uwi na kami. Anong oras na? Sit down, please, ate, because she will follow you. Lini!
A few moments later.
We are home! Lini, would you like popcorn?
Okay.
Lala, she saw it lang. Here. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Wing. Wing ba to? No, ribs. Chicken ribs. Masarap to kasi may buto-buto tapos marami yung kanyang laman. So, crispy fry natin ito. Bought this one at Kohl's. Also got this one, pang lunch ko. Ayaw ko nang magluto ba. Ganyan. Beef stroganoff, butter chicken. Both with rice na. So perfect.
Okay.
Bought some ham. Got some yogurt.
And guys, you know what?
I bought the chicken frames para sabaw, and then this one for caldereta, menudo or sinigang.
And guys, do you know what? I made a present for Celine for her birthday.
Do you want to show?
Yeah.
Careful ha! Careful on your back lang, you might fall. Ano?
Wait.
That's one good part that you take.
Can I show it now?
Huh?
So this is what it looks like, guys. I have Celine's name.
You write her name?
Clear. Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to show you what's inside, but Celine can't see what's inside. This is her favorite thing. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you what I draw.
Is that a boo-boo?
A mermaid. Oh wait, you guys are very. This is what it looks like.
Wow.
And that's the front. And that's all I have to show you. I have to talk a little
I
more about.
don't want that many. Just one.
I bought these little
You put on
sassy.
Ate, please.
This can go in your hair.
Put on Ate. Yes.
Nak, I made pasta.
So that's pasta. I just made it. I love pasta.
Paris loves pasta.
Dancing.
Hi everybody. Mine's just putting some oil in my hair, coconut oil.
Extra virgin coconut oil.
I say coconut oil.
Oil? Oil?
You guys, I have this.
And
I got this for my birthday. I got this for my birthday.
Is it for you or for Celine?
It's mine for my birthday.
Really? Yung buhok na very, lanot.
And guys, I'm gonna open my present that was from when it was my birthday. From a long
Tapos,
time.
mag-shower na itong dalawa. We ate dinner already. And while eating dinner, nanood kami ng Barbie na mermaid. Did you like it, Lap?
Yes,
Yeah.
it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Nak, did you like the mermaid Barbie? Tignan nyo ang isa, oh. Ang
So
buhok
guys, I'm going to open the present.
Mermaid Barbie, did you like it? Lini, did Lini like it?
Yeah, nice
It's
message.
nice, yeah? Did you enjoy watching it?
I can mermaid style, how to be a mermaid. It says you have to put makeup and then hairstyle and then tail and eyelashes.
Lini, you have shower with Ate, ha? Na may Lini. Do you want oil too? Do you want oil on your hair as well? Actually, Celine's hair is pretty healthy, you guys. Like, it's more, shoe. Thicker. Yung strand. Kaya Ate Paris kasi very fine. Wow! Itong mami niyo din ba? Oil for more. Tulog ng mga kiddos. It's now 10:38 ng gabi. Kanina pa sila tulog, guys. Ayan. So, it's time for mommy to wash the dishes. My goodness. Daming hugasin, guys. 4 lang kami dito. Pero bakit ang isang dosena yung hugasin namin? Inano ko muna to, oh. Kasi kanina, may nabenta si mami nyo na key holder. Ayan. Louis Vuitton. So, nire-ready ko siya para bukas. Ready na sila. Actually, sa dalawa yung nabenta ko. So, ipopost ko sila bukas. Nire-ready ko na para, you know, bukas, hindi na tayo masyadong magmadali. Ayan yun. Ayan. I really like this one, guys. It's the Louis Vuitton na vintage na ata to siya. I'm not sure. Tingnan natin yung kanyang date code. But this is very rare. Normally kasi yung mga key holder, yung snap button, yung closure niya para dito. Ayan. Zip around siya. Tingnan nyo. Ganito siya sa loob. Ayan. Oh, diba? Sobrang ganda ng kanyang condition, guys, dito. However, dito kasi magka-dikit sila ba? So, meron siya. Hindi naman siya sticky, guys. TH0010. So, it's 2,000? 2,000 ba? Oh, yeah. So, see, vintage na talaga to siya, guys. Kasi, matatawag mong isang vintage ang isang bagay pagdating sa mga bags, ha? Kapag 20 years over na. So, pag this is 2,000, then it means 23 years old. Wow! 23 years old na to siya. Pero sobrang ganda pa rin niya. No? So, this comes with, ayan, Japan. And then, meron siyang kanyang dust bag. Suppose ko na to bukas. May pambili na tayo ng, nappy. I will just do a quick shout out. So, thank you to each and every one of you. Sa mga bago, sa mga old subscribers na hindi nang iwan, and sa mga bagong subscribers na nakatukla sa channel natin. Sana na-i-enjoy niyo yung channel natin. Shout out to Juliet Caparas, Irina Cuenca, watching from Bacoor City, Cavite. Hello! Shout out to Susan Villar, Delaney Prince, Felicita Swarders, Lisa Avance, Feli Marie Cristal, Maria Fe Cañeda, Arlinda Basa, Lolita La Cuesta, Arlene Hoover, George Blackston, Hilaska, Ifigenia Zarate, Carmen Lu, Jean Bagsik, Mercy Narito, Rian Kappa, La Arnie TV. Oh my God! Minsan nasa-shock ako, guys. Kasi, itong mga, alam na alam ko yung mga pangalan nyo, guys. So, I know La Arnie TV. She was with us since, like, Melbourne days. So, ngayon ko lang ulit nakita yung comment. So, thank you. Thank you very much for commenting again, Inday. Salamat. Shout out to Maricar Castaneda, Roresa Camposano, Celine, Rochelle Pacana, Janzi Pinayon Australia, Jenly Beauchamp, and Yuli Novero. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye.